Significant redesign is anticipated for the 2027 Hyundai Santa Fe, set to debut between late 2026 and early 2027, aimed at addressing the most debated features of the current model. The vehicle will see a shift from the existing H-shaped headlights to vertical daytime running lights, with the main headlights relocated lower in the bumper. At the rear, the current horizontal low-mounted lights will be replaced by vertical LED strips. The new Playos Connect infotainment system, built on Android, is expected to offer redesigned screens and improved materials. While the 1.6L hybrid options will remain, there are rumors of introducing an extended-range electric vehicle, EREV, variant or potentially reviving a plug-in hybrid, PHEV, version.